Are you planning your very first cruise and not sure which cruise line to book? Whether you're traveling as a couple, with family, or even solo, choosing the right cruise line can make or break your first experience. There are a lot of options out there, and honestly, they're not all the same. Some are better for relaxing, some are more about fun, and some are just way easier for beginners. So in this 2026 travel guide, I'm breaking down the best cruise lines for first timers, what makes each one special, and which one is most likely to give you an amazing first cruise without the stress. Alright, let's get started. Coming in at number 5. If you're cruising with kids or just want that classic family-friendly experience, Disney Cruise Line is tough to beat. Disney really nails the details, the service is incredible, the ships are spotless, and the entertainment is on another level. Kids absolutely love it, and parents actually get time to relax while their kids are busy at the kids clubs. Now I will say, Disney cruises are more expensive than most other lines, but if this is your first cruise and you're traveling as a family, it's one of the easiest, smoothest experiences you can have. Everything just works, and that peace of mind is huge on your first trip. At number 4, if you're looking for something a little more relaxed and upscale, Celebrity Cruises is a great option. Celebrity is perfect if you want amazing food, beautiful modern ships, and a calmer vibe overall. It's not a party cruise and it's not chaotic, it's just really polished. This one is especially great for couples, adults, or anyone celebrating a special occasion on their first cruise. It costs a bit more than budget lines, but the comfort and service really show. If your idea of a perfect cruise is sipping a drink, enjoying ocean views, and not feeling rushed, Celebrity is worth a look. Coming in at number 3, this one is awesome for first timers who don't like strict schedules, and that's Norwegian Cruise Line. Norwegian is known for something called freestyle cruising, which basically means you do things on your time. No fixed dining times, no pressure to dress up, no feeling like you're missing something if you don't stick to a schedule. For a first cruise, that flexibility is huge. You can ease into cruising without feeling overwhelmed, and the ships still offer great entertainment, dining, and activities. This is a great choice for couples, younger travelers, or anyone who wants a laid-back first cruise experience. At number 2, if you're looking for fun, energy, and the best value for your money, Carnival Cruise Line deserves a spot on your list. Carnival cruises are known for their casual, fun atmosphere. The ships are lively, the activities are non-stop, and the prices are usually some of the most affordable out there. For first timers, that lower price point makes cruising feel a lot less intimidating. You get to try cruising without feeling like you went all in financially. Just keep in mind, Carnival can feel louder, and it's more party focused on certain sailings. But if you want fun, entertainment, and great value, it's a solid first cruise option. And finally, number 1. For most first-time cruisers in 2026, the best all-around choice is Royal Caribbean. Royal Caribbean hits that perfect balance. The ships are easy to navigate, the entertainment is top tier, and there's something for everyone. Whether you want relaxation, adventure, or family-friendly fun. From incredible shows and dining to pools, activities, and well-organized itineraries, Royal Caribbean makes cruising feel exciting but not overwhelming. That's exactly what you want on your first cruise. If you're not sure where to start, this is a cruise line that checks the most boxes for the widest range of travelers. At the end of the day, the best cruise line for your first cruise depends on your travel style, your budget, and who you're going with. But if you want the safest, easiest, most well-rounded first cruise experience, Royal Caribbean or Norwegian are usually the best places to start. If you've already been on a cruise, let us know in the comments below which cruise line you sailed with and how your experience was. And if you're planning your first cruise right now, save this video, it'll make booking way easier. We hope you guys enjoyed this cruise video, and we'll see you in the next Barjack's travel video.